Alright guys, before we begin, again, let's edit this page. We're going to cross out some stuff. We are only simplifying expressions, so we're going to cross out all these things that say evaluate. Just ignore those. Alright, and we can actually cross off this entire section. Okay, so gonna move a little quicker this time. This is combining like terms day 2. We're practicing more simplifying. So let's start by identifying. I have my 2x and my negative 7x and negative 5x. That forms my first group. I'm going to simplify that. And that gets me negative 14x. That's going to be in my answer. And the next thing I see is the 3 and the 4. That's my next group. That gives me 7. So my answer for this one is 14x plus 7. Alright, now that we've had a lot of practice, why don't you try example 2? Cool. So, when you did example 2, you'll see these two A's. And that gets me 1A. The next, I have just my constants or my numbers without any variables. That gets me negative 1. And lastly, I'll see here, I have my a squared, and there's nothing to group it with, so that's just going to go on the end altogether. So my final answer, 1a minus 1 plus a squared. Remember, I can't make that any smaller because this and this, while they're the same letter, they don't have the same exponent. So that is my final answer. It cannot be any smaller. All right, again, please go ahead and try example number 3 and then check your answer after.